So this is the Odaiba City. Everywhere there's a vendo.
Our goat.
So convenient. This is the seaside view and the iconic Gundam.
You're gonna go back to the bus. Come here, little girl.
In the seaside view,
Daddy.
there you can see
Wanna see?
the miniature
Sige.
of
Wanna try?
Statue of Liberty. So may pa-telescope sila,
Dili man,
but you need
Dala
to
man.
pay.
You see?
Sa seaside view, konting lakad lang papuntang shrine.
What toy should I play now?
The shrine is 15 minutes walk from seaside, where you can make wishes and you can buy anything, good stuff here. Yun lang, see you in my next vid.